There are many herbs that help our heart health and our blood pressure, and we're going to cover one of them today. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a doctor of chiropractic for over 26 years. I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience and based on the scientific literature. I'm going to talk about an herb from this company, Raw Earth. This is called Heart Health, and it has something in it that is very effective at thinning your blood, helping your blood pressure, helping your heart health, and we're going to discuss that in detail. Raw Earth uses a special, unique, and patented distilled water extraction process to give us the best nutrients possible. Many companies, when they formulate their products, use alcohol, heat, or chemicals to extract the minerals from the earth. But Raw Earth uses distilled water extraction, and this allows the nutrients to be the most pure and have the greatest bioavailability. So to use this, what you do is you just shake it up, make sure and do that, use the dropper and put about 10 to 25 drops just into water or some type of juice that you like. And that way you can get these herbs throughout the day. Now the main thing about this is it has organic hawthorn. And hawthorn is a member of the rose family. It's a tree that grows in temperate areas of the world, including Europe and Eastern United States. It promotes blood circulation, cardiovascular health, as well as an immune booster. Hawthorn is considered one of the most relied upon botanicals to support the heart. It supports normal, healthy blood pressure and heart function for men and women. It promotes normal, healthy integrity of the venous structure and cardiac muscle. Now there is one caveat to this, that if you are taking any type of blood thinners or anticoagulants, make sure and ask your doctor if this is right in your particular case. The reason why is because hawthorn is actually very effective at anticoagulation. So you want to be careful if you're combining herbs and medications at the same time. For many people, they're able to get their body off medications and actually just use herbs if you catch problems early enough. So always make sure and ask your own individual doctor if any herb is right for you. Now just on a personal level, I like things like this because I like natural solutions to healthcare problems, and of course because I'm a chiropractor and I deal with natural health and prevention, I want to make sure and get to patients before they actually have major problems. So if we can help their body naturally lower blood pressure, naturally thin the blood, naturally help their heart, then you're actually saving people from major problems in the future. Now, of course, if you're already at death's door, sometimes that's why we have emergency medical care. And there's nothing wrong with using emergency medical care when it's appropriate. However, where we fall short in our healthcare system is in the attitude of prevention. Many people just are not interested in prevention until they actually have a problem. So I would encourage you to think and act differently and start worrying about your own health before you actually have health problems. In other words, if your heart is healthy already, make sure and keep it healthy. If your blood pressure is normal already, make sure and keep it normal. That seems to be the most ideal. I wouldn't want to wait until someone is at the end stage of kidney disease or heart disease before we actually change their diet. You want to change their diet long before they actually have a problem. Now, one of the situations is our soil is not as healthy as it should be. There are certain areas in the United States and in other countries where the soil is actually okay. That's where a company like Raw Earth is really fantastic, because they go to these areas where the soil is actually better, and because of the distilled water extraction methods, they're getting much purer nutrients. These areas have higher levels of humic and fulvic acids, which help transport these nutrients for our body. So if you're interested in some herbs that help your heart and your blood pressure, you may want to look into this. I will put a link down below. You can go ahead and view it and see if it is right for you.